Welcome to qnawire.
Hello student, here the string is given and two variable input 1 and input 2 are taken. I have taken input 2 only. So here I have to work according to input 2. Either it can be 0 or 1 and it will return digit sum or return digit string. So if input 2 is 0, return digit sum. Digit sum means if in a given string 1, 2, B, C, D. If this is a string here, the digits are 1, 2, so it will return the digit sum 3, but condition will be input 2 must be 0. If input 2 is 1, it will return alpha strings. Alpha strings means here I will say B, C, D. This is the alpha string. So according to this, function will work according to input. Here's the code is implemented in C++ language. So here I have taken these two files and after this I have taken one function. The name is find char or digit sum because we have to find the characters or the digit. Here the input will be string taken from the input and the input variable value 0 or 1 we can pass. If input is empty then return null, nothing is there and digit sum. Now declare the digit sum equal to 0 and now at the starting string alpha string declare empty and for loop so that we can count if is digit C and then input 2 is 0. If both conditions are true, digit C and input 2 is 0. If there are digits and input 2 is 0, then we have to count the number of we have to count the sum of the digits and that will be stored in digit sum in this way. As if is alpha means calculate the letters and if letters and input 2 is 1 then letter will be printed as a string. So this will be done for by else if case. And now if only input 2 is 0 then return digit sum, else return alpha string. So in this way program will work. Now look the main function. In the main function our input string is given A1, B2, C3. This is the input string and here digits are given and alphabets are given. Both are given. Now I have taken the input to equal to 0. Now I will call this function find chars or digit sum and I am passing two arguments input and input 2. And now what will happen to this input is our string and input 2 is a 0 or 1. First I am taking the case of 0. So if input 2 is 0 and the string having numbers also, then what will do this program? It will calculate the sum. So according to our program, the string is equal to A1, B2, C3. So here the numbers are 1 plus 2 plus 3. So their sum is equal to 6. So output 6 will be printed. How? Because it will call the function find chars or digit sum. Find chars or digit sum is the function here. It will pass the string here and it will pass the input variable 0 here. Now our input variable is 0, so this case will be executed. Here digit sum will be calculated. In our case the sum will be 6. So this case will execute with input 2 equal to 0. But if input variable is equal to 1, then second part will execute and according to second part it will take into the account only string, in our case A, B, C. This is the string, so it will be printed and output will be, in this case I have written into comments ABC and it will return 0. So this program will execute by ABC in this way. Is alpha, first calculate is alpha. If the from the given string alphabet will be taken into the account and the second condition must be true simultaneously. Now my characters will be taken or the alphabets will be taken and after this this will be called in this way. So this is the total program code which is written in the C++. Hope this information will be useful. Thanks for listening.